Umarım her şey yolunda gidiyordur. Hadi 56. dersimize başlayalım. These shoes are made of real leather. He bought a brown leather jacket. The chair has a soft leather seat. Leather products can last for many years. She carried a small leather bag. I have to leave the office at 5. Please leave your bag by the door. They left early to avoid traffic. Do not leave the lights on all night. She is on medical leave this week. The professor gave a lecture on climate change. I took notes during the lecture. She lectures at the university twice a week. The guest lecture was very interesting. Students ask questions after the lecture. Turn left at the next traffic light. My school is on the left side of the street. He writes with his left hand. There's a small park to the left of the library. Look left before you cross the road. He injured his leg while playing soccer. She crossed her legs and sat down. My legs were tired after a long walk. The table has 4 wooden legs. The doctor examined his left leg carefully. You must be of legal age to sign the document. The company asked for legal advice. Is it legal to park here? They took legal action against the company. The agreement is legally binding once both sides sign it. I enjoy reading in my leisure time. The hotel was several leisure facilities. Walking is a popular leisure activity. People need time for work and leisure. She spends most of her leisure time outdoors. Would you like lemon in your tea? She squeezed a lemon over the fish. This cake has a fresh lemon flavor. We bought a bag of lemons at the market. Lemon juice can make the salad taste fresher. Can you lend me your pen for a minute? The library lends books to students. I lent my car to my brother yesterday. She never lends money to friends. Could you lend me a hand with this box? The length of the table is 2 meters. We measured the length of the room. The movie is perfect in length for children. The river has a total length of hundreds of kilometers. Please cut the rope to the correct length. I have less time than I did yesterday. Try to use less sugar in your coffee. This route is less crowded in the morning. We spent less than $50. The second test was less difficult than the first. Today's lesson is about fractions. I learned an important lesson from that mistake. The teacher prepared a new lesson for the class. Our English lesson starts at 9. Each lesson includes a short review. My parents let me stay up late on weekends. Let me explain what happened. Please let the children play outside. Do not let fear stop you from trying. She let the door close behind her. I received a letter from my friend. Please write your name in capital letters. She mailed the letter yesterday. The word begins with the letter B. He wrote a thank you letter to his teacher. Her English is at an advanced level. The water level rose after the heavy rain. Make sure the picture is level before you hang it. The course is designed for students at different levels. Workers leveled the ground before building the house. I borrowed 3 books from the library. The library is quiet in the morning. Students can study in the school library after class. Our local library offers free computer access. She returned the book to the library on time. License. You need a driver's license to drive a car. The restaurant has a license to serve food. He renewed his license last month. The software requires a valid license. She showed the offer her driver's license. I want to lie down for a few minutes. The dog was lying under the table. Books were lying all over the floor. She lay on the sofa and closed her eyes. The village lies between 2 mountains. Do not lie to your parents. He told a lie because he was afraid. She admitted that she had lied about the accident. It is better to tell the truth than to lie. This story turned out to be a complete lie. Life can change very quickly. She wants to live a healthy life. Education can improve people's lives. She spent most of his life in this city. There is no known life on that planet. Hope to see you again.